Hi, it's Al from Elecbrakes, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install our plug and play electric brake controller. On your screen you'll see a video being shown of the traditional in-car installation. This installation requires an auto electrician or a specialised person to do the install. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the electric brake controller. I position the first screw, making sure that the unit is parallel to the drawbar, and then place the remaining screws to secure the unit to the trailer. And it's as simple as that. The brake controller is now installed on the trailer and ready to be connected to the plug and play adapter. What I'm going to show you now is how to connect the plug and play adapter to the Elecbrake unit, the trailer and the car. First off, we connect the small proprietary plug to the Elecbrake unit. The next step is to connect the trailer to the end of the adapter. In this instance, the caravan is fitted with a 12-pin flat plug and the adapter has the matching socket. Once connected, it's now time to fit the adapter to your tow vehicle. Again, in this instance, we have a 12-pin flat plug. At Elecbrakes, we make combinations of adapters to suit all vehicles and trailer plug types. The 7 flat, the 12 flat, the 7 large round and the 7 small round. See how quick and easy it was to install the Elecbrake controller. The video of the traditional in-car installation is still in progress. So now we take our remote, hop in our car and go on our way.